I'm hitting this with the scraper and the I got a wire wheel here that should fit on a drill, but I don't have the drill up here yet. So what I needed to do is just kind of scrape some of this heavy stuff off of here. Yeah, it's heavy stuff. I was thinking it would just fall off if I just probably wash it. This pan down here, everything's just gonna come up like it's grease. This is all stuck on stuff. Yeah, it is. It's stuck on stuff. I'm gonna save this container here because it has yeah, the catch water spray in the back. The water tray in the back is full of degreaser. So what I'm going to do, because I emptied everything water-wise and cleaned a little bit enough to get rid of some heavy, thick rust in this thing, mostly from what fell from the burner and from the grill itself. So this is all that stuff that's like sitting at the bottom of this pan, and I figure if I get most of this pan, I should be all set to wash it again. Because all I did was spray degreaser on this. And I hoped that the degreaser would take care of all this, and it kind of did. Yeah, I probably should have waited until I scraped some more, but it seems to take most of it off. Did a pretty good job, I see. Yeah, that's the hard stuff is at the very bottom where everything drips into it. But I got this. Nice cleaning with a steel brush and a electric drill will take care of this stuff. Get the drill. Yeah, I didn't bring it up because I didn't think I was going to do this right away. So I did, and I am, and I didn't. Let's see, all I got is this right now. That real good. We're down to the aluminum. I think that brusher, oh, I know what to do that. My, what's downstairs? Never mind, I got it right here. Yeah, these, baby. They're called vice grips, baby. Yep. Doesn't work like that. It works like this. the metal. I just want to get most of the crap off of here so that when I do wash it with the hose, it's going to clean off nicely. You guys wiggling? Ooh, I gotta bring up the porch furniture too. Let me put that on my list of things to do this today. Yeah, as a husband, I have one day to do the things that the boss wants. Oh, hi, honey. No, I wasn't talking about you. Now, how to get this out. Ha! Just like that. Alright, now what we gotta do is we gotta go downstairs and get the hose. So we'll take this and turn this off.